Yo, did you just see that spooky scene? Looked like in a scary movie, right? And that panda and elephant, so cute! They looked real enough to steal your snacks. Oh! And the guy in the hoodie with the violin, goosebumps, baby. Guess what? You can make all those awesome clips too, for free, right here on YouTube Shorts. Yep, you heard it right. Free clips, free music, free sound effects, banana bundle. So if your brain's going, wah! Follow me. Auntie AI tasked me to show you how to cook up juicy shorts with just a few clicks. Now let's go make some banana-style clips, will ya? Alrighty, now that your banana brain is buzzing, let's dive in and make some YouTube AI magic. Step 1. Grab your phone, open your YouTube app, and smack that big juicy plus button like you're whacking a mosquito. Now your camera pops up. Ah! Scary! But look to your left. See that little image icon? Click it. BAM. You're in your video library. Now peek at the top. It says Create. Ooh, fancy. Click that. Welcome to the secret AI lab. Not really secret, but sounds cooler that way. Now, type in your wildest idea. Pandas dancing, bananas in space, a cat that raps, or use an AI tool to help you write your prompts. Look at the style bar. Want realistic? Choose original style. Want weird? Pick something fun. Then hit Create, and boom! YouTube cooks up 4 images just for you. Pick your favorite one and click Create Video. Ta-da! A 5 to 6 second video appears like banana lightning. You can trim it or just hit Done. Now look up top, see Add Sound. Smash that! You'll go into YouTube's Music Kitchen, browse their library, or click Create to enter the Sound Lab. Type a prompt like Epic Ninja Beats or Sad Raccoon Jazz, then wait for the AI to cook up 4 tracks. Test them out, pick your jam, hit the arrow, and boom! The music is in your vid. Now press the check mark. Almost there. Click Next and add in your text, captions, filters, sparkles, banana explosions. Whatever you like. When you're happy, click Next again and upload that masterpiece to the world. And that's it. You just made an AI-powered short like a boss, or a banana boss. Go make your masterpiece shorts. Weird, cute, or just banana style. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Auntie AI for more tips, tricks, and clever but bananas hacks she's cooked up for me and Dr. Ploop. She already gave us a list longer than the YouTube terms and conditions, all to help you make awesome videos every day and use AI for good. Auntie AI says learning should never be boring, and honestly, she's right. So, I'm teaming up with Dr. Ploop to make this the most bananified channel ever. Ha! All right, now it's your turn. Go make something epic, adorable, or totally bananas.